Hi there everyone, this is your friend Jake, and then in this tutorial video guys, I will discuss on Rapid Application Development or RAD model in software development. Before we will continue, I would like to say thank you so much to all my subscribers in my channel. Thank you for your support. If you are new with my channel, please hit the like button, click the notification bell so that you will be notified when my newly uploaded video. Share, comment, and subscribe to my channel for more upcoming video tutorials. So let's get started. Rapid Application Development or RAD model and software development. Basically, what is RAD or Rapid Application Model? Requirements planning phase, a workshop utilizing structured discussion of business problems. User description phase, automated tools capture information from users. Construction phase, productivity tools such as code generators, screen generators, etc. inside a time box, do until done. Cutover phase, installation of the system, user acceptance testing, and user training. RAD Strengths or Rapid Application Development. What are the benefits of it? Reduced cycle time and improved productivity with fewer people means lower costs. Time box approach mitigates cost and schedule risk. Customer involved throughout the complete cycle minimize risk of not achieving customer satisfaction and business needs. Focus moves from documentation to code. WYSIWYG or what you see is what you get. Uses model concepts to capture information about business, data, and processes. Let us discuss guys about the rapid application disadvantages or weaknesses. Accelerated development process must give quick responses to the user. Risk of never achieving closure. Hard to use with legacy systems. Requires a system that can be modularized. Developers and customers must be committed to rapid fire activities in an abbreviated time frame. When to use RAD or rapid application development. Reasonable, well-known requirements. User involved throughout the life cycle. Project can be time boxed. Functionality delivered in increments. High performance not required. Low technical risks. System can be modularized. This is the end of my presentation guys. I hope that you have learned something new about the rapid application development model in software development. Thank you so much for watching. Don't forget to like, share, click the notification bell, and most importantly, to support my channel, please subscribe. As much as possible, every week I uploaded newly video tutorials or videos in my channel. Thank you so much guys for your support. This is your friend Jake. See you in the next video guys. As for the moment, bye bye for now.